Do you want to know how you can access the help center in Tubi TV? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access the help center in Tubi TV. Open tubitv.com in your Chrome or Edge browser and go to your profile, and there is the help center. Click on it and it will load you to this page. Now you can search for whatever you want in this help center and it will give you the result. So you can go ahead and search anything. Let me search like password and it will give you suggestion about how you can retrieve your password or how you can reset your password. You can click on the links and you can read the articles set by Tubi TV. And if you want to delete your account, you can simply go delete and it will give you how to delete my account and a lot of things. So go to your account and go to help center. You can read a lot of articles and knowledge-based articles according to your wish. And if you click on the link, it will open and it will solve your problem instantly. So this is quite helpful and necessary for you to learn. So this is how you go and access help center in Tubi TV. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.